to Daytona, and look at this view. Absolutely insane. What time is it, Michaela?
It is 7:46.
7:46. We left the house at like 1:30.
2 o'clock.
Absolutely insane. We got Wyatt with us, but over here at the Wyndham Hotel is absolutely insane. So be prepared for next week. What? Oh, hot chick? Nice. Nice.
Plural.
Plural. Dang, we can get in trouble up here. Sweet. Nice power stroke coming here.
Yeah, stocks will burn out.
Rocking the stocks. Absolutely beautiful up here.
Go to sleep in a jacuzzi. Yeah, waking up right to a TV.
I'll probably throw an edit together for today's video, and then we'll check in with you tomorrow. All right, we made it to Daytona. I actually did a outro in the parking garage, which I'm actually going to add on to that and just keep going. You know, this is a party weekend, so you know everything goes. But I'm going to try and keep the language, you know, toned down. But here is our view from our hotel room at the Wyndham. But as you can see, absolutely insane. I want to try and park the truck as close to the hotel as possible for you know, driving on the beach and stuff. But you know, if you see the truck, see me this weekend, don't be afraid to, you know, take a picture of it, tag me on Instagram, stop by and hang out, get a free beer. I mean, let's just party. It's the weekend to party, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna try and throw an edit together. Don't know how well it's gonna be. That's more of a Nasty Nate sort of thing. So he might help me, he might not, but everything goes this weekend. So I'm sorry if it's not the normal stuff, but I'm literally just gonna party this weekend. So hopefully you guys like the video. This is day 1. We'll have day 2 tomorrow. So yeah, we'll catch you tomorrow. Cheers. Let's do it.
Ryan Little.
Ryan Little.